So how was your first lesson there? How did that go?
I sucked. Yeah. So I had no experience in any sports before. So I don't have any gymnastics or ballet or any background. So the only fitness I had was like basic gym and like aerobic classes since I was like 16, 17, just to get myself just to get fit. And so when I came to pole, I was actually shocked that, oh my God, it's amazing, but it's challenging. I still remember I was trying to do like my fireman spin and I was like slipping off and not being able to hold myself. And that was really, but I loved the idea and I also loved the community part of it. So for me it was great that I found it. Yeah.